In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Mailchimp to Squarespace. We're going to connect your Squarespace checkout to Mailchimp so new customers can opt into your email list right as they purchase. This keeps everything automatic and compliant, so you can focus on great campaigns instead of copying and pasting emails. Start by signing in to your Squarespace site and opening your website's dashboard. From the main menu, head into Settings. In the Settings area, look for the section labeled Selling. If you don't see it, make sure you're using a commerce plan or have commerce features enabled, because that's where checkout and email sign-up options live. Inside Selling, open the Checkout Customization area. You'll see options to tweak your checkout page, newsletter sign-up, store policies, receipt details, and more. This is the place where the email sign-up lives. Find Email Sign-up Settings and click to open it. If the interface kicks you back to the Selling panel, no worries. Just re-enter the email sign-up settings so you're in the right spot. Here, look for the option to connect a provider and choose the Connect button next to Mailchimp. When you click Connect, Squarespace will open a secure Mailchimp window so you can authorize the connection. Follow the prompts to log in to your Mailchimp account. You may see a button like Login and Authorize, then a login screen. Enter your account username when prompted and continue through the login to complete authentication. After logging in, confirm the permissions to authorize Squarespace. This allows Squarespace to add your customers to the Mailchimp audience you use for marketing. Once authorization is complete, you'll be brought back to Squarespace and should see Mailchimp listed as connected. If you're asked to choose an audience, pick the one you use for your newsletter. Next, make sure the email sign-up option is enabled so an opt-in checkbox appears during checkout. Add clear, friendly copy that tells customers what they'll receive and how often. Transparency improves opt-in rates and keeps you compliant with email laws. A quick tip: if you collect subscribers from multiple places, consider enabling double opt-in in Mailchimp for cleaner lists and explicit consent. If your business operates in regions with strict privacy rules, add a short consent note or link to your policies near the checkbox. Finally, do a quick test by previewing your checkout and confirming that the email opt-in appears. Place a small test order or use a test mode if available, then check Mailchimp to see that the contact is added as expected. And that's it. Your Squarespace checkout is now connected to Mailchimp